Hey there, green thumbs in training. Welcome to Handy Home Hub. If you've ever thought plants have a personal vendetta against you, well, today's your lucky day. But before we dive in, do me a favor and smash that like button. Subscribe and let me know in the comments, what's the most bizarre thing you've ever grown? Let's get the conversation blooming. Behold the humble seed, small, unassuming, and yet with the potential to become, well, food. Let's embark on this botanical ballet, shall we? First up, location. Where should this green paradise reside? Sunlight is your new best friend. Most veggies love 6 to 8 hours of it. So, unless you're growing a vampire garden, let there be light. So, what type of garden suits your fancy? Traditional, raised beds, containers, or just random patches around the yard? Your garden, your rules. But remember, plants, much like us after 3 coffees, need space. Every artist needs tools. For this masterpiece, you'll need a spade, garden gloves, a watering can, and a few more essentials that every gardener swears by. Next, think of the veggies, ones that complement your Sunday roast or that summer salad. Tomatoes, lettuce, carrots, oh my, and if you're feeling adventurous, maybe a pumpkin for Halloween. Now, for the fun part, planting. Make a small hole, pop in the seed, cover, and maybe even whisper sweet nothings. Plants like us need love, and water, mostly water. Oh, while our green babies grow, here are some hacks to keep in mind. Coffee grounds can deter pests. Eggshells add calcium to the soil, and chatting with your plants, why not? They might not respond, but they're great listeners. Now, as days go by, water regularly, but don't drown them. Pull out any pesky weeds. They're the garden crashers nobody invited. As our journey nears its end, let's recap. 1. Find the sunniest spot. 2. Choose your garden type. 3. Get your tools ready. 4. Decide on your veggie lineup. 5. Plant with care. 6. Use hacks to keep your garden thriving. 7. Tend with love and be on the lookout for those uninvited weeds. So, who's ready to trade in their couch potato status for some actual tomatoes? Share your gardening tales, fails, and snails below. Every gardening guru once killed a cactus. There's hope for us all. Until next time, keep those green fingers wiggling. Handy Home Hub signing off.